Good morning to respected principals and teachers and all my friends. I am not just a piece of paper or an ordinary book, but I am much more than this. I have provided you things like freedom to religion, freedom to speech, and freedom to live. I not only make India more republic, independent and powerful, but most importantly, I made India a democratic country. नहीं तो अंग्रेजों की गुलामी चल रही होती इस देश में अब तक. I think most of you have guessed it by now. I am the supreme law of India, the constitution of India. Well, people, it was not easy to design me. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. I was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. When I was being designed, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the committee. और पता है ये कमेटी इतनी भावुक हो गई टाइपिंग करते करते कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में भारत का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सबसे लेंथी बना डाला. Now let me introduce you to all the fundamental rights provided by me.
I am the one who gave you the right to equality. It is covered in Article 14 to 18. All persons are equal before the law. This means that all persons shall be equally protected by the laws of the country. Every person has access to public places including school, hostel, playground, etc. The state cannot discriminate anyone in the matter of employment.
I am the one who gave you the right to freedom of speech. It is covered in Article 19 to 22. It provides the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to form association, the right to move freely and to reside in any part of the country, the right to practice any occupation, profession or business.
I am the one who gave you right against exploitation. It is covered in Article 23 and 24. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labor and employment of children under 14 years of age.
I am the one who gave you right to freedom of religion. It is covered in Article 25 to 28. Religious freedom is provided to all citizens. Every person has the right to practice, profess and propagate the religion of their choice.
I am the one who gave you the right who gave you the culture and education right. It is covered in Article 29 and 30. It provides all the minority, religious or linguistic to set up their own educational institution and to preserve and develop their own culture.
I am the one who gave you the right to the constitutional remedy. It is covered in Article 32. It allows the people to move to the court if they believe any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state.